Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we're gonna talk about what it's like to daily a Lexus GX460. This one is a 2022 model here. As you can see, it comes in my car with sport design and captain chairs. Now let's walk around. We cook. You got LED headlights. You got the front lip, which shows you that that's the sport design, and we have a real lip as well. I love this color. And let's check the back seat, and this is what the captain chairs look like. As you can see here, if you want to pop in, you can just grab and sit here. As you can see here, I have nice space for my legs, and as you can see here, we have heated and ventilated seat. And then for these, you can move them forward and backward as well, which is cool. And as you can see here, up here there's an AC vent and hand door as well, so it's nice, very nice. And then with those seats, you can just do it like this, and then if those seats are up, someone can just happen here, and then you can push this back. And also, if you have stuff to put in the back, you can just fold these right here like this, and then you have plenty of spaces so you can put your stuff. And just like that, you can shut that door. And then for this door, there's two buttons here. You can just press this, it locks off 5 doors, and then you can press this, and then it unlocks all the doors. And this is what it looks like, and that's your trunk right here. And right there we have a safe lock here. If you turn this, you lock it, and you can unlock it, so the door don't just go slam and shut on you. And also, if you don't want to open the whole door, as long as the key is in your pocket, you can just press that button here, and this will open. As you can see here, that's the trunk, and then you can just close this, and you also have the rear wiper up here as well. And if you have passengers, you can just put those rear seat up, and as you can see, you have to hold it for seats to come up. And if we go back here, and that's how the seat would look like. Let me hop in here and see how it would be. And as you can see here, I have my handle here, ace event. Actually, this is the first time I've been here. For 14 months we have this car. This is the first time. If I pull this right there, as you can see here, I barely have any space here. Look at that, barely any space. So yeah, it's this is not for adult, is definitely for kids, because I fit here because I'm like 5'5", but someone who's tall and big, that wouldn't be good at all. And as you can see here, there's a button right here. You can recline your seat back there. I mean, it's nice for kids, but for adults, that is a big no-no. All right, so let's check out the front seat. As you can see here, we have memory seat, all windows automatic up and down, and you can lock or unlock. This is your power folding mirrors, and here you got your headlight washer track control that you can turn on and off, and you have your automatic low and high beam and heated steering wheel. And let's hop in. As you can see here, this is the interior. We're gonna have to start this. It is hot, man. It's a hot day. So this is our steering wheel. It's nice and it feels good in your hands. And then if you go here, that's your screen right there. You have CarPlay, Android Auto, and we also have the Mark 11 sensor. I mean, the car is pretty much fully loaded. This one is the Premium Plus with Sport Design and all that. So there's the luxury package, and then there's this one. So we did not go with the luxury package because we didn't feel like spending extra $4,000 for just rear air suspension, which we don't care for, and 360 cameras and core control. That's the only thing that we missing from the luxury. And then the luxury also have is an option to get off-road package. To me, I feel like off-road package would have been standard. So that's just how I feel. All right, so what it's like to daily a Lexus GX460, man. I have to tell you, it's nice. Now, I don't drive this car every day, but when I do, I enjoy it. I like the way it drives, the way it feels. When I say drive, I'm not talking about like fast or handling and stuff like that, because that's not what this is about. But that thing feels great. You can drive hours and hours and hours, long trips, and then you're not just gonna your body's not gonna hurt or anything. Yeah, you probably get tired from driving and stuff, but not like your back is gonna hurt or anything like that. So this car just drives so smooth, like butter. It's just like right now, it's just, I love it. I just love how it feels. You go over a speed bump, you don't even feel it. So I don't even know how to explain it. It's like this thing just float over the speed bump. That's how comfortable that thing is. You can go to like potholes. Not that you should do it on purpose, because you don't want to mess up your tires, but you can go to like potholes and speed bumps. You just not kind of feel it at all. And one of the other thing is that if you like music like me, you like to listen to music, you have that nice Mark Levinson, which is great. Like I said in my previous videos, I will not buy another Lexus without that sound system because it's just great. And those seats, I love how they feel. They soft, nice and comfortable. They hold you in place, and it's nice, man. It's just nice. Now for power, I mean 301 horsepower and 229 torque. It's not much, but for what this car is, it gets the job done. And then yeah, but the thing is the gas mileage on this car. Now if you care about gas mileage, maybe this truck isn't for you. You can get an RX or NX or whatever, because these things I average about 15.5. They said it's 16, but at 15.5 that's not bad. But all right, I just switched to my Canon camera because I was talking, but this camera right here, Sony heavy one, just decided to overheat. This is the worst money I ever spent on any cameras. You just, that thing, you start using it and you just get overheated. It's just trash for me. It's garbage, those Sony cameras. So so like I was saying, these cars, man, if you can get one, man, just get one. Plus this year is the last year with the V8, and I mean, you don't really have to get it to 22 or 23. If you can't afford one, you can just get like a 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's all the same, except for 22 and 23 has that screen here, but with CarPlay and stuff. But you can always throw an after market CarPlay in there if you can get that one. So this is what it's like to have his car in Taylor, his car, man. It's just a great car. So if you can catch your hands on one, you go ahead and get one. All right, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy. You have a good afternoon, good night, good morning, and I will see you guys in the next one.